Hello guys, welcome back to Abdullah's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make roast chicken that is simple and easy, and I hope that you'll try the recipe and you'll enjoy. So let's get started. I'll start by preparing my vegetables. Here I have 1 onion, paprika, black pepper, fresh rosemaries, 2 potatoes, carrots and garlic. So I start by cutting in half my potatoes. If you have large potatoes, you can cut in quarters. Now I'll cut my carrots into each pieces. And don't worry about the measurements, I'll put them in the description box down below. I'll cut my onion into quarters. I'll also add half head of garlic, and the other half I'll use on the chicken. I'll also add 2 sprigs of rosemary. Now I'm going to add olive oil. Salt, paprika, and black pepper. I'll now mix some vegetables to ensure all the ingredients are well combined. My vegetables, as you can see, they are now ready. Now I'm going to start preparing my chicken. I'll now start to prepare the chicken wrap. I'll start by adding lemon juice from half of a lemon. I'll also add paprika, black pepper, salt, and olive oil. I had first but dried my chicken using paper towel. I'll now massage my chicken with the mixture. I will now separate the chicken skin, and this will make it crisp up. I will now stuff my chicken with half head of garlic, a half of lemon, two sprigs of fresh rosemary, I'm now going to season my chicken again with black pepper and salt. I will now tie my chicken legs using a kitchen string. My chicken is now ready, so I'll transfer it to a baking tray. I will arrange my vegetables around the chicken. I will also tuck my chicken ends to prevent them from burning. I'll now put my chicken in the preheated oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 90 minutes. My chicken is now ready, as you can see, and the aroma is all over the place right now. The chicken was so juicy and yummy, and there it is. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Welcome.